All right, third grade, we are on 8-2 math message. You should have out another piece of paper and something to write with. Okay, our question says the field day racetrack is 80 meters long. How many meters will the racers travel if they run the track 8 times? Record your answer. So let's underline what we know. Well, we know that this racetrack is 80 meters long. So a racetrack, maybe it's an oval, all the way around this racetrack is 80 meters, just one time. Okay, well, how many meters will the racers travel if they run 8 times? So we're trying to figure out if they run this 80-meter course 8 times, how many meters will they have traveled? I want you to try a strategy, write down your equation and maybe a picture to help you solve, and come back when you have an answer. All right, if I'm on pause, that means you have came up with an answer. Let's figure out some strategies we could have done. Well, I'm looking at this and I know that I need to go 8 times around an 80-meter track. So I'm going to say 8 times 80. Well, how would I solve that equation? I could go 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80 until I added 80 8 times. I could do that. That's going to be a pretty long math problem you write out, but that would definitely work. But I'm going to try to use a different strategy. I'm going to use doubling. So 80 plus 80 equals 160. Okay. How many times did I just add 80 together? Well, twice. So I can say 2 times 80 is equal to 160. Good, so I just used doubling right here to get 160. Well, you know what? I'm going to double this answer. What is 160 doubled? If we did the math, it's 320. So again, I just multiplied 80, but how many times? Well, if I just doubled my answer, that means I counted by 80. I'd have to double this too. I just did 4 times 80 equals 320. Well, what happens if I double this again? Instead of multiplying 80 by 4 times, I would multiply it by, well, 4 doubled is 8. So what would 8 times 80 be? Well, I would have to figure out what my answer before was doubled. So what is 320 times 2, or 320 plus 320? If we did the math, it is 640. And is that the answer we were looking for? Can I stop? Well, look at that. 8 times 80. 8 times 80 is 640, and we just used doubling. So that would be a wonderful way. Maybe you figured out another way, but that is our answer as long as you got 640. And what would my label be? What are we measuring in? Well, it was 80 meters long, so total distance traveled would be 640 meters, or we can put M for meters. That is wonderful. Okay, I need you to open up now to journal page 255.